Kitty, kitty. Look at my kitty. I'm showing him again, but his leg is hurt. And because he was very sick.
This morning, and Miles was concerned that Peepers was drinking water from the bathroom.
Mommy,
So we gotta let Peepers do pretty much whatever she wants to do.
Oh, it's a kitty.
She had a break.
He's very sick. He's got a problem with his pee. If also good kitty. Can I get him to stay still? You want to see? You want to see the viewers? Kitty. Kitty, come here. See? You like the viewers, don't you? But listen to him. He's purring. He's such a cute kitty. I don't think any of your kitties could match my kitty. Comment down below. Does your kitty look cute? And if you don't have a kitty, then that sucks. Bye. Oh, wait, actually, I gotta stop the recording. So, bye then.